Messy hair? Wear a cap or a hat. Doesn't matter. I'm having coffee. I just walked my sweet lucky pants early as I put packages in the mail, and the FedEx truck was in front of my place, and I'm like, wait, that's probably for me. I have something coming from Turkey. Y'all know what that is. Well, ta-da. I've covered up my workstation where I'm cutting fabric because, oh, what's in your cup this morning? I know that my sweet friend Krista Patel is probably live right now, so I need to hurry because this isn't live. This is like, let's see what we got. So I'm going to pause this so you don't have to hear the rustling, rattling from this stuff. Yeah, it's a little dirty. I might have to go find me some wet wipes. It is ice. It is ice yarn. I gotta go wash my hands again, so I'll be right back. I'm back. And we're getting into this, guys. Okay, yes. If you remember, I am still on a yarn ban. Something on my hat. Oh, that's just my gray hair showing through the holes in the hat. Y'all, look at this. Okay, me and black hats and gray hair. Let's get on with the show, shall we? It is well with my soul. Okay, so I have been diligently sewing masks and waiting for elastic to arrive from Amazon. And I'm telling you, I ordered my elastic so many weeks ago. And it dawned on me that some people would like the ties on their mask instead of the elastic, so they can adjust it. They can self adjust it to fit them. So when I was on my email the other day, I saw a little thing from Yarn Paradise, and I went, where is that and what is that? And I clicked on it. Guess what showed up? Ice yarns. So what I did was search for ribbon yarn and tube yarn. And let me show you this one. I can't hardly stand it because I have so many masks that are needing red. Okay, so I have this mask that I made, and it has an opening for a filter, and it is absolutely amazing. I love it, but I didn't have any good ribbon or ties to put in here. So this stuff right here, check it out. Look at it. Don't look at me. Look at my good stuff here. If I can find the end to it, it would be the bottom. This is called macrame cotton. I saw it And I was like, you're kidding me. $2 for this skein or skein, whichever one you say. $2 for this, and I probably just started it in the middle of something somewhere. But this crocheting crazy woman had this brilliant idea. Look, this stuff is so strong, and this little ribbon, I'm not so sure. But do I have to do this? I had to take my hat off now. Show you how this mask works, okay? This is the deal. And a lot of my people who are placing orders have asked for these kind. You put this part around your neck. It looks like a bib right now. Okay? These are washable. Don't panic. You take and pull the string up around your neck. Pinch the nose. And tie this behind your head. Of course, the hair can cover that. You got your mask on, nice and secure. Your chin, everything down here is covered. This is nice and tight. And you can make it tighter and tie it tighter in the back. And I'm not thrilled with the way this ribbon is working. So I ordered the macrame cotton. Yes, I did. And this is getting ready to go. I got to do this quick because you know how my little device is. So I have my handy dandy yarn needle embroidery. Oh Lord, why did I take the hat off? Sorry guys, sorry. It is what it is. So there we are. Come on, look at this. This is going to be taking the place of this ribbon. It's going to go up in here and it's going to do the job. I am so excited that this is working instead of having to wrestle and cry and wait for elastic to show up from somewhere else when I can get this beautiful stuff from Turkey. And I'm telling you, I am tickled. I am so tickled. This is just what the doctor ordered. I mean, look. I've got it doubled just because I wanted to show you. So I have that color. I have this lovely that needs the string in it. Check it out. Yes, thank you, Ice Yarns. Macrame cotton, 100% cotton. It's going to do the job for me. I have purple. I have purple because I have purple stuff that needs to be, sorry for the noise. Here it is, macrame cotton. This is going to do so many masks that it just blows my mind that I was frantically waiting for other stuff to arrive. Yeah. Oh, this one doesn't need a string, it's got elastic. But when you run out of elastic, what do you do? This one, look at it, look at it. Guess what I did for this mask? I crocheted my milk cotton and made a beautiful string for this one. So this girl is still doing her